Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus and I'm here at 169 Courtland Street, Unit 1, located in Providence, Rhode Island. This is a 2-floor, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom unit, and we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the main room or living area. So right away you'll notice the living area houses a carpet flooring throughout, and it does house the main entryway to your unit. Not only that, a lot of windows for plenty of natural sunlight, and a lot of outlets along the walls for plenty of electronics, entertainment system. You got plenty of room too to kind of customize with furniture. It's a good amount of space in here. And it is connected to the kitchen area we'll be looking at next. But real quick, living area also houses the half bathroom. Right through this door, half bath features a tile flooring. It's got, of course, the toilet to the right, and to the left side you got the spacious sink area, a couple of cabinets underneath for some bathroom storage, and above the mirror vanity and some bright lighting. Awesome. So that is the half bathroom. So flipping around, we're going to check out the kitchen area next. Kitchen area houses a laminate wood flooring and has a good amount of space for a small to medium-sized dining set. Not only that, it does house a glass sliding door that leads to a small little deck area on the back. I should also note that the entire unit houses a centralized heat, and it also houses a fresh coat of paint that looks fantastic. Right through here, through that doorway, you have a private basement area. It's just great for a lot of storage. Not only that, it also has laundry hookups down there. But back to the kitchen area. Continuing further, you have the small area over here that houses all your kitchen cabinets and the spacious countertops. A lot of outlets again for plenty of kitchen plug-ins. And the appliances, of course, include the dishwasher, the single bin stainless steel sink. You also have the 4-burner stove and oven with the exhaust fan up above, and the medium-sized refrigerator. Very nice. Last thing to note, you have some additional storage in this kitchen area with the small pantry closet next to the refrigerator. Awesome. All right, let's continue upstairs and check out the bedrooms and full bathroom. Again, 2 floors of living space, so a lot of room in this unit. As we go upstairs, you'll notice that the stairway, hallway, and bedrooms all feature a carpet flooring. Let's check out the bedroom to the left side first. And both bedrooms are relatively the same regarding size and features. Both bedrooms do house a carpet flooring, fresh paint, a couple of outlets here and there, and a good amount of space. Overall, I'd say you could probably fit a standard, full, or even queen size bed set no problem at all in here. Again, with the centralized heat, you don't have to worry about clunky baseboards or radiators. They're all out of the way. The centralized heat is coming from the roof, so got some extra space. The only difference between the bedrooms is the bedroom on the left side. It actually houses 2 separate closet spaces, as you can see. So you got lots of storage available to you in this bedroom. The right bedroom houses 1 closet space, but overall they're pretty spacious closet areas. Perfect, that is the first bedroom. Let's go ahead across the hall and check out the second. So again, pretty spacious, good amount of room again. Up to a queen size bed should be able to fit in here, no problem at all. Lots of outlets, carpet flooring, fresh paint, and closet area, all set up and ready to go. Perfect. So that is the second bedroom. Last but not least is the full bathroom. So a full bathroom houses a tile flooring just like the half bathroom. You have the full tub and shower at the end over here. Of course, you got another spacious sink area, cabinets underneath for some extra bathroom storage, and the large mirror vanity up above. Awesome. So once again, this is 169 Courtland Street, Unit 1, located in Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.